Just to follow up on something you said about the open source tools section of eNeuro. I'm not actually totally sure that this paper would exist without that as a forum for it. You know, it really, you know, when I learned about this as a way of disseminating a project like this, it was really a perfect fit. I have this behavioral platform that I and my lab have been working on developing for the last few years, and we wanted a way of disseminating it and beyond, you know, just linking to the GitHub page that had, you know, our 3D printing files and our code, et cetera. And so it's sort of a somewhere between a method and just a tool. It's a tool and a method. It's you know, the demonstration of the viability and some instructions on how to build it and how to make it work, and some validation and characterization.